Hi guys, so this is the beginner's tutorial of Font Designer, and this screen is what we call the project overview. This is the screen you're gonna open up with, and to start a project, just hit the plus and name it whatever you want. Call this goofing. Yeah, gooting. That's right. It's goofing around. There you go. All right. Sorry, I'm recording this on my phone, and my pinky probably gonna hit the microphone a couple of times. But all right. So you're gonna be presented with the letters, numbers, or glyphs. Let's go do a lowercase d actually. So this is what you got. We call this an alpha letter, and just a quick run through. So let's do some kind of a black lettering. All right, so double tap on one of the points, and you can move the whole segment. And let's do this. All right, so we have actually three kind of toolbars. So if you hold your thumb or whatever finger you're used to, hold it down on a point, you get to make it a rounded shape. You can manipulate like that, or you can break it. If you're used to Illustrator or InDesign or any kind of vector work on any other graphic software, this is just up your alley. This is no news. This is just the way you used to. If you hit the X, you will delete it, and the lower left corner you have an undo, and to the right you get reset. So this just resets whatever you have done. It resets to a sharp cusp point. If you hit inside the segment, you will get the pen tool. The pen tool is the tool you're probably going to use most of the time. So yeah, let's do this, something like this. And that's a toggle. So if you don't remember to toggle it off, you will go around and make a lot of points. So remember to toggle that one off. Just undo those and toggle that one off. So you can make that to a rounded corner and get this one back. You get this kind of calligraphic thingy. All right, so move this one up. Let's make this a bit wider. And delete this guy. And move these guys up. Oh, reset this one. Oh, I always reset my points if they are not necessarily rounded. This one, come on, delete. We're probably gonna do like this. There we go, much better. Same with this one. And let's reset this one. Come on. Oh, they are reset. All right. It's probably this guy. Yeah, here we go. I want to be a really thin one here. So, oh, let's do like that. I want to have a thin one done here as well. So this guy gonna go down. Let's zoom in and really widen this one out so it gets a bit more of an attitude. and something like that. All right, so this is just a walkthrough through the app. So what you can do actually is copy this one, go up to the copy and hidden dead space, and then you paste it. Then you have this pasted one. So what I wanted to do to show you is doing like this, this. Oh, let's delete this guy, and we can actually delete this one as well. And reset, and reset. Come on, fella. All right, so let's make this a thin one. Double tapping, and then you can move it over. Come on. So what I want to show you is if I extend this one up and extend this one down. Actually, just let's delete this guy. All right, something like that. So what you can do, if I hit this one and go to the left, you get it to be an empty or a negative space. So let's just widen this guy a little bit. There we go. Oh, let's do it like that. All right. So let's say we are happy with this one. We can do a preview. Just go to right, and there we go. There you have your preview of whatever that kind of little. Yeah, this is not pretty, but yeah, that's 5 minute work for you. All right, so I'm happy with this one. Let's say, and you can go to your right. This button down here is, we call that the navigator. So hit that one and go to the right one with the arrow. You can export it. Yeah, you have your name of the font on top, goofing around, and just go to, you can export it as a font. That means emailing it as an SVG if you want to continue. If you want to continue with the live vector work on your favorite vector software, or you can export it as a letter. So you can export directly to Facebook, or you can any other app, or like Instagram or whatever you like, or save to photos, or email also as an SVG. So if you're just gonna save to photos, there we go, and we go to photos. Come on, that was yesterday. I want this one. Thank you. So here we go. So that's Font Designer. So go in and have some fun. See you next time.